What would it be like living somewhere really different? Like a tropical island, a huge city, or high in the mountains? Hi, I'm Christina, and I work at Lonely Planet Kids. Inside our brand new book, This Is My World, you'll get to meet 84 awesome kids from around the globe. This is Anna. She's 9 and lives in an orphanage in Zambia, where she's one of 33 children. The famous Zambezi River flows nearby. She goes there to spot crocodiles and hippos. When she grows up, she wants to be a doctor and heal people. This is Aviana. She's 9 and from Nuuk, Greenland, which is in the Arctic Circle. She lives next to the sea. Sometimes she can hear whales singing to each other. Aviana goes fishing to catch massive snow crabs with her dad. In winter, the northern lights appear. In summer, the sun shines 24 hours a day. This is Manuel. He's 9 and from Goa in India. His house is full of instruments like violins and pianos. This is because his dad teaches music. Sometimes an entire orchestra practices together in his home. Manuel loves building things and wants to become an inventor. Meet Temperance. She's 7 and from Queensland, Australia. Her family live on a cattle ranch. It's so big, they have a helicopter to check on all the cows. Temperance gets homeschooled and her teacher lives in her house. Discover the stories and photos of 80 more kids in This Is My World, out now from Lonely Planet Kids. Available in bookshops and from shop.lonelyplanet.com.